Hello. Last week I made a Fozzie Bear puppet for the Muppets. Now this week I made a new puppet that is from Jim Henson's Muppets, but it's not a Muppet. It's a Sesame Street character, and this is the Cookie Monster. I built him with his own cookie. And also, before I say anything else, I want to say shout out to Lily for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my video last week. And I just want to say thank you for that. So, this is Cookie Monster. His body is made out of a blue shirt from my dad. His eyes are made out of paper with marker colored on them. And then, his cookie is made out of brown paper with marker colored on, black marker for the chocolate chips. So I'm gonna make the noises, cause actually I made this puppet. Cookie Monster can gobble and eat his cookie. Yum yum, yum yum. And that's how he eats his cookies. They're actually in his stomach right now. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Bye-bye.